Hey everyone, we're just going to go over what week 8 and week 9 of term 2 is going to be looking like and for your online learning experience. So for week 8, you've got your exam revision week. So you will still have to sign into all of your classes. You're still going to have the same timetable that's up on Sector. All of your classes will have either something on My Ed, so a button that you'll be able to push to say that you're there for all the classes to have attendance, or your classes will be doing it on Teams, but your teacher will let you know if it's not going to be on My Ed. You're going to be doing revision that your teachers will be giving you during the week, so it's going to be either a booklet or it's going to be set tasks in your My Ed, so each subject is going to be different. So you've just got to remember that you can have all of your revision with you for your exam, so you're able to have all those sheets and different things. So if you're doing anything on My Ed, you're more than welcome to copy and paste it into Word so that you've got easy access to that. You can print it off so it's physically there in front of you if you need to do it. Week 9 is our exam week, so you'll still have to sign into your classes. However, there'll be an alternative timetable. So either you'll be doing exams, or when you're not doing your exams, you will be having study lessons. So majority of the exams are going to be open book, but some of the exams are not, and that's going to be in the description of the exam. Will say what you can have with you, and says whether you can have certain books with you or no books at all. Your declaration of authenticity has to be signed by you before you take your exam. So that's basically stating that everything is your own ideas. You are allowed to take some other people's ideas, but you have to actually state who it is or where that you got it from. So if you got it from the internet or from a book, you need to write that down and include that into your answer, because otherwise you're taking credit for somebody else's work. Each exam will include a 10-minute reading time, 60-minute exam, and 10-minute submission time. These exams are going to be timed on My Ed, so you're actually going to have that time space is the only chance those exams will be open. So if you come in a little bit later, the exam's going to be closed at a certain time. If you struggle with your internet for whatever reason, it just doesn't work, you need to write out a written explanation to Mr. Leong as to why. You also have to get your parents to write out a written explanation as well, supporting the reason why you weren't in your exam. Otherwise, it's an instant fail because you didn't show up. So when you're not doing your exams, you're going to have set study periods that you can be doing for your next exams. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope you all stay safe and healthy. Bye.